welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today I'm going to be sharing the September Spellbinders clubs, and they've got a really nice autumnal theme to them. So the first one I've got to share with you today is the small day of the month, and it's this really cute pumpkin scarecrow set. So we have all these dies that kind of make up the scarecrow, and he's got like a little outfit. You could use like the pumpkin head or the normal head. There's loads of little accessories on there, and there's even these little signposts that say pumpkin and hello. And then you've got the little crow, an additional kind of little pumpkin with the leaves and bits, a bat, and this sunflower. So really cute set. So the second club I've got to show you this month is this Stamp and Die of the Month. And you can see you get this really nice pumpkin patch kind of stamp with these acorns and oak leaves, and then the sentiments. You've got hello, you are such a blessing, happy Thanksgiving, harvest of love, autumn wishes, and to you and yours. And you've got the dies to cut those out, and then you've also got this rectangle die which can cut out these ones. You can see them in action in this light up card. There'll be a video on that later in the month. So then we've got the wax seal of the month, and the wax seal of the month comes with these gorgeous autumnal set of wax beads. So you can kind of see you've got like the crimson red, the olivey green, the gold, and this pretty blue. And then you also get the falling leaves wax seal stem. So that's really pretty. So the Glimmer of the Month club this month is this lovely thanks set. So you get the rose gold foil with it, and that's one of the things that I love most about the Glimmer of the Month kit, because you get a different foil each month. Then you really build up your foils. And you get this thanks, which is really lovely. You can see that on this card here. And so you get the glimmer piece and the die for that. And then you can combine that with all these sub-sentiments. So we've got for being a friend, for having a big heart. This card is full of, and then obviously the thanks goes underneath that one. All I can say is, and then the thanks. And then you'd have thanks for lending a hand. So then the stitching die of the month this month is absolutely gorgeous. It's this lovely huge sunflower, and I've kind of cut it out here so you can see how it makes up. You've also got this thanks so much dies, and as they usually do, they've made it really flexible so that you can kind of cut the sunflower with or without the stitching. You can see here I've kind of put one without stitching behind, so that's what it looks like without, and then one with stitching in the front. Then you've got the centerpieces. The leaves you could do without the stitching if you wanted to as well. Really, really lovely set. So then we've got the better press of the month, which is these lovely leaves. And you can see they're all separate plates, and then you've got thankful for you, sending autumn wishes, and my favourite colour is autumn. And you've got this die that can cut those out. You've also got this template, so that if you want to create a full background with them, that kind of lays them all out so that they'll cover the full background. And you can see that that's those leaves in action in this autumnal wreath. And then finally, I've got the two embossing folders. So we've got this one, which is a really nice kind of neutral embossing folder, one that's really easy to use on any kind of card because it's quite a simple pattern. That's the embossing folder of the month. And then the 3D embossing folder of the month is this gorgeous pumpkins and flowers one, and that's just so pretty. So I hope that you love all of those new kits. I think it's a really lovely month. Remember that if you love more than a couple of them and are thinking of getting several, then you might want to consider the Deluxe Caboodle, which has all of the kits, including the stencil of the month and the large die of the month, which I'll pop on screen now, but I don't have. And you get all 10 clubs and a free gift for £120 from the UK store or $120 from the US store. And that is actually less than the 5 most expensive kits cost on their own. So you're getting 5 free kits plus a free gift when you do that. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below. And you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've shown you in today's video are listed in the description below, including that caboodle, And there's also a link there to my blog where you can find the pictures playlist if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.